The Swagbucks. Swagbucks is pretty cool because you can literally get paid by searching stuff. So I did this probably a couple years ago, and I've been doing it every now and then when my free time, and you can earn a lot of extra money doing this. Basically, instead of going to Google, you use Swagbucks custom search engine, which you can set it to Google, and you search stuff like how to tie a tie, and then every once in a while they'll give you a reward for using their search engines. Now there are tons of other ways to earn money on Swagbucks. You can actually shop. If you're going to shop on Amazon and you shop through them, they will actually pay you a percentage of money for doing that. You can watch videos that they have, basically like watching advertisements, other companies. You can play games, answer surveys. There's all kinds of ways to make money on this, and they do pay. I have been paid by this company. Usually they just pay you by gift cards, which isn't that bad. After Swagbucks is Instagram Shoutouts. Now Instagram Shoutouts is really cool, but it does take a little bit of time to build up because you have to have an initial following. Now it's really cool because initially, if you want to get a whole bunch of followers, you can go through, follow 100 people, and then unfollow that 100 people, and you'll usually have a net gain of like 10 to 50 new followers. And if you do that over time, maybe 1,000 times in 1 month or a couple months, eventually you'll start to gain followers. And if you need to, you can actually buy them. But after you have that initial following, you can actually sell shoutouts. Anyways, when I get up to around 200,000, maybe even 500,000, I can start asking people to pay me so that I can shout them out. I have a friend who does this. He has around 2 million Instagram followers, and you might think, holy moly, that's a lot of followers to get. I don't think I can ever do that. Well, he said the same thing around 2 years ago, and now he makes around $5,000 to $6,000 a month just by doing shoutouts. He's easily made his money back. The next way to make money online is by freelance jobs. Now, one of the best marketplaces for freelance work is Upwork, and this is actually what I use for all kinds of other stuff. So if you're a video editor, if you're a graphic designer, even if you just want to like literally play a video game or test a website, people will pay you to do this. Also, if you're ever in need of a virtual assistant, Upwork is a great place to go. Personally, I use Upwork to hire occasional article writers, video editors, and even to do some graphic design work that I don't feel comfortable doing myself. But you can sign up to Upwork as a freelancer, which means when someone posts a job, you can do it. Boom, there's $60 in your pocket for designing a background, or boom, there's $100 in your pocket for editing a 6-minute video. Now, another usually cheaper marketplace is Fiverr. Now, Fiverr's really cool because there's a lot more people that do it, usually because this stuff is cheaper. And you can make money by selling your services. So you can do SEO work, you can do video editing, graphic design, even website feedback if you're comfortable doing that. But you can sell your own services. But there's another way to make money with Fiverr that not very many people know about. And if they do know about it, they're usually raking in a ton of cash. And that is to buy services from Fiverr for $5, $10, and then sell them to businesses who don't know how to get the same services that cheap for maybe $100, $200. I've literally seen some guy go to a company and say, hey, I'll make you a logo for $500, and then he takes that and he goes and pays $5 or $10. He gets a great logo, and he just made like over $400 profit for a weekend's worth of work. It's crazy. Once you learn how to do this, you can scale it and make all kinds of money. The second way that I've learned to make passive income online is through Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a marketplace, basically, of other people's products. And the cool thing about this is that you get to sell someone else's product. It's basically affiliate marketing, and I'll talk a little bit about that in the future. On Clickbank, personally, there are only 2 products that I highly encourage someone to buy because I have bought them before, and they're super easy to sell. The first one is K-Money Mastery, and the second one is Video Breakthrough Academy. And Video Breakthrough Academy was actually created by one of my YouTuber friends. Anyways, what you do is you make a whole bunch of content, and then you lead people to your affiliate link. And then whenever someone clicks on that affiliate link, you get a percentage of the sale. For example, Video Breakthrough Academy, every time I sell one of those, I get half of whatever someone pays for the product. So if they pay $300 for that, I will earn $150. Some people make over $60,000, $80,000. There are even some people who earn over $500,000 online through selling other people's product.